myself Lakshmi. Today I want to explain the differences between the Maxwell-Boltzmann and Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics. So, MB means Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. BE is the Bose-Einstein statistics. FD is the Fermi-Dirac statistics. So, in Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics is applicable to the identical and distinguishable particles. Bose-Einstein will obey the identical and the indistinguishable particles. Fermi-Dirac statistics which obeys the identical and indistinguishable particles. Next one, Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics or distribution function will obey the classical laws. Bose-Einstein and the Fermi-Dirac will obey the quantum laws. Next, Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function will do not obey the Pauli's exclusion principle. So Bose-Einstein it also and do not obey the Pauli's exclusion principle. Only Fermi-Dirac function will obey the Pauli's exclusion principle will obey the Fermi-Dirac statistics. Next, Maxwell-Boltzmann having the function having any spin. So in bosons having then Bose-Einstein particles, that is bosons having an integral spin only, that means NH cross. Next, in Fermi-Dirac statistics having a spin of odd integral means of NH cross. This is the spin in case of the Fermi-Dirac statistics. Next, Fermi-Dirac statistics having a distribution laws Ni is equals to Ai divided by f into e to the power of beta into Ei. So in here Bose-Einstein statistics Ni is equals to Ai divided by f into e to the power of Bi minus 1. Next, Ni is equals to Ai divided by f into e to the power of beta into e to the power of Ei plus 1. Next, examples of the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics is gas molecules. In case of the Bose-Einstein statistics, phonons in solid form, it is an example for Bose-Einstein statistics. Fermi-Dirac statistics having an free electrons is an example. So, next, in this case, having particles having any number of points, any number of particles. In this case, have also any number of particles in Bose-Einstein, but Fermi-Dirac having an only single particle or only one particle will be there. So this is the main differences between the three statistics. Okay, first in this case having one question will be asking the PGCETs or the KSET examination. So thank you.